Okay, this is actually a continuation of the cards feature in 5.4. Quite a few people asked me a lot of good questions about cards, specifically about cards redirection. So I figure it's a good idea to add another video segment for card redirection. So I have Pro installed here with card working, and now you can actually launch. Right now I'm launching a Citrix Xenapp desktop. And you will see that you could actually now redirect the card to this desktop. So on this desktop I already have a train application asking me for cards. So put the card here. You will see that it's actually tried to fill it in, and it does the fill in. Let me show you this again, because you might see that there are a lot of things popping up, and I can explain it. Okay, you actually hear two things. One, this one is getting from the local workstation, and this one is the filled in on the remote desktop. The reason you're getting two reactions here is because the card redirection is actually not done by us. The card redirection is done by Citrix client or Windows. So unlike fingerprint redirection, which we actually take care of, we take the fingerprint and we just redirect. This one's taken care by the Citrix or by the terminal services. So we have a little bit not so much control. So you actually get two actions, one on the local, one on the remote. Now if this is annoying to you, you have two options. You can disable password manager on the local machine. To disable that, you go to the admin console settings, applications, and password manager. Right now it's enabled. I uncheck, apply. So after you disable the password manager on the local station, you can try it again now. And you can see the redirection works only to here. Nothing appear on the local machine. So this is a workaround. We do have enhancement requests for this issue. I do also want to let you know that this redirection, it seems to be a little bit delayed, slow. In our lab, we see this fill-in happen in about 3 to 5 seconds. So there's some delay in the redirection. So by the way, the card redirection, we don't require to set any of our GPOs. Unlike fingerprint redirection, so it would just work out of the box. For this reason, you don't even need Pro workstation installed on the client machine to make the card redirection works. So it does work. So I'm going to show you how this works on Windows Embedded. This is a Windows Embedded. Does not have our product installed, but it does have the card driver installed. That's required for sure. Install the card driver for this kind of reader. So I just logged in and gonna launch Citrix receiver. It doesn't matter which kind of client you launch, a receiver or online plugin, it works the same for the card redirection. So you see, same app. I'm gonna launch. I'm gonna put the card on here. As I was saying, there was some delay in the fill-in. It's not right away. And there's the fill-in. And I don't even have the Pro installed on the embedded. Thank you. Oh wait, one more thing. So far I show you the card redirection, but in the session, you know, can card redirection work at the login time? It does. I'm going to show you, but the trick is, when you log into Citrix, either Xendesktop or Xenapp, you actually directly goes to the Xenapp desktop. I mean, you get the Citrix client, you enter password, and you are here. So you actually bypass our crypt provider. The only way to get our crypt provider now is to lock the machine. If you do the lock, now you will see our crypt provider, and it support cards. So I'm going to do cards now. There you go. So card redirection does work for our crypt provider through Citrix. Okay, so far one more thing. Just more things keep coming up, and people ask good questions. It's about Xendesktop. So far most of the demos I show you with the cards, it was using Xenapp's desktop. But how about Xendesktop? Well, in my testing experience, they're actually the same. There's no difference when it comes to cards redirection. That's why I was not really doing demo in Xendesktop. But since a few people ask, I'm gonna try to do a demo now with Xenapp. With Xendesktop and cards. Okay, so I'm here, the same Windows embedded machine. Just gonna log in as Michael. It has no Pro workstation installed, by the way. So I'm going to start my Citrix receiver. I'm going to try to access the Xendesktop. From the web. Okay, you see now I'm actually calling up the Xendesktop from the web. This is a Citrix receiver. It actually doesn't matter which client you use to log on to Xendesktop or Xenapp. And I'm actually gonna log in as a different user. So this Xendesktop is actually also on a different domain. Log in as Igor M. And you see I have a few images, virtual desktop images that are available to me. I'm going to choose one, this one. Get some warning from the receiver, but it's okay. I say yes. And you will see now I'm actually in Igor M's Xendesktop image. So this is the Xendesktop, and to show you that the card redirection does work, I'm going to go to a website that I trained already, Gmail. You will see, and it's going to put my card. You see a delay there, but it does fill in. Thank you.